Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to refund items in Roblox and get Robux back. All right, so let's begin with the video. To request a refund for an item on Roblox, you can submit a support request to try and get your Robux back. This can be done on both computer and mobile. Start by going to the Roblox website at roblox.com and make sure you are signed in to your account. Once logged in, click on the settings icon and navigate to help and safety. From there, select violations and appeals. After that, click on support. You'll then need to fill out the form with your details, including your username, first name, and email address. Make sure you enter your actual username and not your display name. After that, scroll down and choose your device type from the drop-down menu, whether it's PC, mobile, or another platform you use to play Roblox. Next, go to the Help category and select Purchases using Robux. Then, under the subcategory, choose either website item, if it's something like clothing or accessories, or inexperience item, if it's something like a game pass. In the description section, write a message explaining your request. For example, you can state that you purchased a specific item. Include the exact name of the item as it appears in the marketplace. Mention how many Robux it cost and request a refund. You can also add that you no longer use or need the item on your account. Once everything is filled in, click Continue and complete any verification steps if prompted. You may also see a chat window where you'll need to answer a few follow-up questions. After submitting your request, you may need to wait up to 48 hours to receive a response or for the refund to be processed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can refund items in Roblox and get Robux back. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.